khoi Belphang Nakao amsayo Sidi kupulung Malkhungno Khobwi Khoroksano romi Manka police patimung phasal diponi jorawo phasal diponi jorawo khoi bajalbari thana police hujakok tomani bisingdi Belphang Nakao to mokol kachu mui tongkha ajorawo gaja kupulung gari khungsa phaicho bakya ajora angana diponi damni shoti thamchi suk jora TR04A 0342 number ni Maruti Malkhung Belphang Nakao to phake police Malkhung kasuka tei kasuma logo Malkhung bisingo tongnai khorognai Malkhungni khanan naikha a khana thanibo Khoroksa khari yokpano tei Khoroksano romi Mankha mandrani mung Suboto Debnath tei Khoroksa khari yog thangka yagulo police Malkhungo naiche thanibo Malkhungni doga bisingo jotui kaisini packet Sidi kran Mankha thanani usi Jugol Tripura Shaka jotui thamchi sini kg Sidi kran Mankha
Dini Nakao normal nakasikingo ang tongmani Nakao hotat ke gari kaisa Belphang Nakao ang tongmani ang baitay ani staff tay oino officer botongo afro hotat ke signal rifuro gari kaisa alto gari bini number ingkang TR04A 0342 gari paitung nakagana sopai puro bono signal limani phat chakhe bo gari gurogoi arone gari nokhare borok korongni tongmani borok kharka angke chung masano romanyarka kai romanyarmo pore chung sondeo khaikao gari bisingo kuno mani hamya mani tongnabon bagin borok kharo hunai angke chung gari bathak rima pore chung kisar dogar inge nemani dogar belai hiligo angke chung sondeo khaika dogar bisingo no ingo jak tongna Twijak mani tongna ni chung kisar siri nemani aro packet kubangma packet aro nukjak tongo brown color ni packet nukjak tongo angke chung ang ani senior authority na ang janokha pore ani authority janokha tai ingono rika SDM no kaisa magistrate deputy khaina bagai yang chithi rika bini pore magistrate phaika executive magistrate phaika ani SDP phaika phaima pore jeng boroni presence o ingo khai manai rok check khaiman bisingo aro gari bisingo total 70 packets of different size manai sing recovery khaikya surma pore abo nukjakha 37 kg mu total a gari bisingo number plate bu duita mangkha kaisa asamni number plate tongo kaisa to Tripura number plate thapajak asam dam to busukunai abo to dam to ngono mumule rohe ko 9 lakh 10 lakh ngono borok Khoroksano mani Subroto ni taksuk jora
Khulumka hasani lukurangno norgni bagai belekino kaham sep tubi faika St Joseph Hospital West Nowabadi Amtali Agartala West Tripura hasane fatara thaya karanyo hayung bermni shakdok naikani sep nahari mano belekino rangkisha baino o hospital lo sarbrumno general OPD wo sakdok naijago o hospital lo x-ray ki suti cough test khajarni bagai namoshak shep tongo te test khlai ujago o hospital lo hatibar thugino eba every week no kisasuk chongjak shalo burongni bemuk naikrung eba gynecologist surgery urology tei bukung khunjo totra naikrung doctor wo phai shakdok naifeyo tei abashimia o St Joseph Hospital lo talburum na chennai specialist doctor of phai orthopedic neurology tei urology bemarogno phai naifeyo abno karibo o hospital lo latest technology bai dalbidal bemarogni operation facility bo tongo tei separate AC non AC room nawi shakdok najugni sebo manthogo hake taita moleri tongsinai phaidi kaham hayong bemni sakdok sebmana nimusung khake eba tebashina musung khake krungdi tolawo eba khamau roja kokduk number 7085256702 tekise kokduk number 9612998562
St. Joseph's Hospital, Agartala is a growing hospital with advanced facilities. The hospital started with minimum facilities in 2015, and from this humble beginning, over past 10 years, it is slowly grown to 20-bedded hospital providing quality care to all sections of people at affordable cost. We provide best quality care to the patients. Our focus is to give holistic care to all who enter here with compassion and love. OPD facilities. General OPD Monday to Saturday 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Surgical OPD Sunday 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Wednesday 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Gynec OPD Saturday 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Ortho and Uro Specialist OPD monthly once. ENT OPD on call. Cancer OPD every month second Tuesday. We have inpatient facilities both for male and female and special rooms with AC and non-AC. OT facilities with post-operative ward and ICU care. Diagnostic facilities available in our hospital, digital X-ray, ECG and ultrasonography. And all types of blood investigations and urine tests are done here.
Romkha, St. Joseph Hospital, Agartala, Omo Kaisa Kaham Hospital, Oro Kaham treatment ungo, operation facilities rock tongo, every month, Chennai specialist doctor hayo treatment khaipayo, Khobwi Hospital Lokin Sulai, Oro Kisha Rangbaino, Kaham treatment ungo, all types of investigation, blood test, X-ray, scan ungo, 24-hour doctor facilities tongo, Taibo Kaham Kai Shaiman Nani Bagai, Tin Hospital of Hai visit Kalaimano, Hambai.